Good morning. Today the topic is research journals, abstracting journals, indexing journals, then electronic journals. So it is one of the part of preparation of review of literature, and thereby one who should require to abstract the journal. It means those required articles or relevant publications which is coming under research journals that should be abstracted, and it is also indexed. So in the previous topic what we discussed is that it is of major importance in citing or writing the author index and subject index for the preparation of review of literature, and also the references, and also it is mandatory to require a researcher or a good student or researcher must able to relocate the information which are gathered in between or throughout the period of research work. Okay, so coming to the first topic is abstracting journals. The use of abstracting journals are exceedingly valuable in order to determine whether or not an article is worth reading. First of all, it is seldom, S-E-L-D-O-M, seldom, if ever, the invention that an abstract should serve as source material. First of all, its primary function is to give an accurate citation of the article, to indicate briefly the subject matter and the more important conclusions of the article. It is called abstracting journal. Okay, next heading, research journals and indexing journals. Okay, write down. After the plan of reviewing, the literature has been completed, to discover the information available and to avoid the pain of working hard. First of all, then to find that, someone else has previously completed such works and already published the results. First of all, for recent years, this procedure tends to cover most of the important papers, but in the earlier years, the index of large number of research journals are examined. First of all, next sentence. However, even today it is wise to search through the indexes of a limited number of such journals. First up, next paragraph. Abstracting journals reports in the current scientific work published in various journals worldwide. First up, each abstracting journal will have certain area of specialization. Stop. Next one. NISCAR. Capital letters NISCAIR. In brackets, National Institute of Science, Communication and Information Resources, close the bracket, brings out two abstracting journals. One, Indian Science Abstract, in brackets ISA, and two, Medicinal and Aromatic Plants Abstract, in brackets MAPA, close the bracket, full stop. So this is the requirement and part of the open access search for journals, and abstracting or indexing journals is required for a good researcher or a good to complete a good dissertation or thesis work, and it is which is effectively used by the researchers. And third one, electronic journal or e-journals. Okay, write down. E-journals are scholarly journals or intellectual magazines that can be accessed via electronic transmission. First off, this means that e-journals are published on the web. First off, they are formatted appropriately like journals. Appropriately like journal articles in traditional printed journals. First up, some e-journals are online version of printed journals. First up, next paragraph. Most e-journals are subscription based on allow pay per view access. Okay, this is called the e-journal or electronic journal. So, in abstracting journals, there are three major areas. One is generally it is called as abstracting journal, and the second one is which is called as research journals or indexing journals, and the third one is the modern application or modern facilities, which is called e-journals or electronic journals. So these are all the components which is used for collecting a very good research literature survey, and thereby one who can prepare the author index and subject index, and prepare an updated research reviews, and also help to avoid the omission of such preparation of the references in a dissertation or thesis, or even in a scientific article. Okay, thank you.